Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you through Blush AI. First, let's talk about what the app is. Blush AI describes itself as an AI-powered dating simulator. The idea is that you interact with virtual characters who each have their own backstory, personality, and relationship style. The purpose is to let you practice flirting, chatting, and relationship skills, and perhaps gain confidence. Next, I want to cover the free plan and limitations. Blush AI is free to download, but many features are locked behind a premium subscription. On the free plan, you may be limited in how long you can chat, how many characters you can access, and how many images you can generate. Users report that the AI sometimes lacks memory of previous interactions, and conversations can feel repetitive or scripted. Those are important to know. Is Blush AI legit? Yes, it is a real app, and it performs what it claims. You can chat with AI characters, practice social or dating dialogue, and explore fantasies. But keep your expectations reasonable. This is not a perfect human interaction simulator. The AI chats do feel somewhat limited and in some cases repetitive. Some reviewers say the conversations fall into the same patterns or get off track. Thanks for watching.